Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to convert from PowerPoint to Google Slides. Within a second, I can convert from PowerPoint to Google Slides. Let me show you how to do that.
Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos.
Yes, from my laptop, I just opened PowerPoint presentation. So this is my PowerPoint presentation over here. So I just want to convert this PowerPoint presentation into Google Slides. What I have to do here? So within a second, I can convert this PowerPoint presentation into Google Slides. I just close this PowerPoint presentation. So the PowerPoint presentation is here. So I just open Google Chrome browser. So I just log in with my Gmail account. So you just open Gmail account. While you open the Gmail account, you will find an option called in your right hand side, the three dots, the Google Apps. Just click the Google Apps and just go to Drive. So once you go to Drive option, so your entire Google Drive will be open here. So here you need to upload your PowerPoint presentation. So how to upload your PowerPoint presentation? You can just drag and drop or just right click on that and you can upload the file. So I just click here for the file upload. So where's my file? I can locate over there. I just go to document and I just go to PowerPoint presentation, and this is my presentation. So I just select this presentation, click open, means my presentation will be, my PowerPoint will be uploaded in Google Drive. So as you see here, my presentation is added over here. So I just want to show you. So this is my PowerPoint presentation. So purely I created PowerPoint presentation. I just want to convert this one into Google Slides. Just double click on that. Automatically it will move into PPTX to Google Slides, as you see here. So PPTX to Google Slides, so PowerPoint presentation PPTX to Google Slides, so that I can go to check all entire Google Slides information. Everything will be there, themes, layout, everything will be there. So I can present my PowerPoint presentation through Google Slide without any other hesitation. So I can upload my PowerPoint presentation into Google Drive. I can open there, automatically it will open into Google Slides. So it is a beautiful and easy option. What are your animation given there, transition given there, everything will be converted into Google Slides option. So I can just click slideshow, I can play and show to you. So this is a beautiful and easy option. While you create your PowerPoint presentation, you want to upload that PowerPoint presentation, you want to go and show somewhere else, using Google Drive you can upload and show in your PowerPoint presentation model through Google Slides. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.